In this video, we'll use our Rally Air All-Season DA to demonstrate how to set up a Dometic Inflatable Drive-Away Motorhome and Panel Van Awning. Highlights common throughout our Rally DA awning range include our single-point inflation frame, large windows on all three sides, a convenient awning to RV connection tunnel, Quickpitch skylines. Begin by opening the carry bag and removing the awning. Lay the awning aside your vehicle and close the external deflation valves located at the base of the air poles at the front of the awning. Locate the inflation point on the central air pole and insert the end of the hand pump hose included with the awning. Begin inflating the awning. We recommend inflating to between 3 and 4 psi to begin with. Once achieved, carefully lift the awning up, allowing it to take shape. With some of our larger awnings, you may find it easier entering through a door panel and lifting from the inside. Continue inflating to the recommended 9 psi, or until the needle reaches the green zone on the hand pump. Remove the pump and secure the top cover of the inflation point. Shift the awning backwards, leaving around 90 cm between the awning and vehicle side. Locate the 3 webbing straps attached to the rear of the awning tunnel roof. Release them from the awning and carefully pass them over the vehicle. Step around the back of the vehicle and peg down the webbing straps. This action brings the awning tunnel roof to the RV. Returning to the awning, zip in the side and front panels, ensuring all doors are completely closed. Next, fix the 2 back corners of the awning tunnel. Peg the webbing straps approximately 5 cm under the vehicle. Pull the awning away from the vehicle, applying tension to the tunnel, and peg the webbing strap down. Repeat on the opposite side. Peg the front 2 corners using the adjustable webbing straps. Tension the side panels by pulling away from the vehicle. Peg the blue triangle located at the base of the left and right hand side of the awning. If the triangle is not flush to the floor, you may need to reposition the central air poles. Secure the remaining pegging points using the ladder bands, included with the awning peg pack. We recommend cross-packing between panels to reduce fabric tension and help the zips run smoothly. Then secure the Quickpitch skylines. Simply guide the lower strap out and peg down. Then tension the connected strap or straps. Repeat this step for all 5 Quickpitch skylines. Stepping inside the awning, clip the blinds into place along the rails located above each window. Inside the awning tunnel, locate the adjustable straps on the left and right hand side. Pull the straps tight to adjust the tunnel roof and sides. Your Dometic Rally Air Drive-Away awning is now set up. Start your adventure sooner and experience more with Dometic.